Hey there, handy friends. I'm doing a collaboration with Crazed Family Homestead, and we're doing a seed swap. And she originally asked me for some burdock seed, so I'm gonna send her some burdock seed and also milkweed, marigold, and some motherwort. So I'm gonna make my own homemade envelopes and get these all ready for the mail tomorrow, and I will get back to you with a review once I get her seed swap in the mail. Mail time! I got my mail from Crazed Family Homestead, and so I'm really excited to open this up. Very pretty. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. What a cute card. Oh, nice. Great, I'm so excited. So here I have the stinging nettle seeds. This is what I'm really excited to have. And then some St. John's. Very nice. I love St. John's wort. And some alfalfa. Nice. Thank you so much. I love your little seed packages. They're so cute. And then it says, thank you so much for swapping seeds with me. I love all my herbs and love to share them. And it's a beautiful Christmas card. Thank you, Amy. Merry Christmas. So if you like what you see, please give me that thumbs up and subscribe for more videos based on herbs and homesteading and other fun remedies. And stay handy, friends.